Hello, and welcome to the Chef Report, where I help business leaders like yourself understand emerging technologies and how they'll impact your business. Today, I'm looking at OpenAI's SORA, a recently announced text-to-video generation tool that could have as big an impact as ChatGPT itself. In essence, SORA takes written prompts and turns them into detailed, high-quality videos. These videos can be up to a minute long and maintain visual quality with very little hallucination. These are complex, photorealistic, creative scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and accurate details of the subjects and background can be generated in minutes. What's truly amazing about SORA is that the model understands not only what the user has asked for in the prompt, but also how these things exist in the physical world. This means that when the user inputs a description, SORA can identify the key elements and themes within that prompt. For instance, if a user describes a sunset over a bustling cityscape, SORA recognizes the primary subjects, the sunset and the cityscape, as well as the implied atmosphere of activity and transition from day to night. This level of content comprehension is achieved through SORA's training on a vast data set of videos and associated textual descriptions. By analyzing these pairs, SORA learns to correlate specific words and phrases with visual patterns, enabling it to generate relevant and detailed scenes from those textual prompts. More impressively, SORA's understanding of how these elements exist in the physical world adds a totally different layer of realism. This involves not just recognizing objects and settings, but understanding their interactions, physical properties, and behaviors in real-world contexts. For example, SORA knows that buildings in a cityscape are static, but cars and pedestrians move. It understands the natural progression of colors in a sunset, transitioning from bright yellows to deep purples. This deep understanding is rooted in SORA's diffusion model architecture and its training process, which includes not only static images, but also dynamic video content. This exposure to motion and change over time allows SORA to simulate those realistic physics and the cause and effect relationships from the generated videos. Occasionally it struggles with complex physics simulations, things like reflections, or how maybe food transitions when you bite into it, but it's stuff they're working on and I'm confident they'll overcome. SORA can not only take textual descriptions as input, but given an existing image or video, it can extrapolate forward or backwards in time and create multiple camera angles, all while maintaining consistency of the characters and environment. So why is this relevant to you as a business leader? Let's take a few different disciplines in a typical corporate structure. In an entertainment and media context, the implications are profound. Clearly, SORA has the potential to be very disruptive, streamline the creation of visual concepts, animations, and special effects, and open up entirely new creative possibilities. Certainly, some roles and jobs are going to be impacted, but in much like AI across many different disciplines and verticals, I see it more as an additional tool to help increase productivity and open up new options. In marketing and advertising, SORA will craft hyper-personalized video campaigns, providing a whole new level of engagement with consumers. Advertisers or their AI assistants will test and refine these concepts with unprecedented speed, bringing efficiency to creative production and ensuring that every message hits the mark. Product placement of any product in any scene will be just a few short keyboard strokes away. In product development, imagine designers using SORA to bring their prototypes to life in a matter of minutes, iterating with key stakeholders, imagining different contexts, tweaking the product design here and there. Really powerful stuff from a product development perspective. And then in customer service, you can imagine creating visually engaging instructional videos, enhancing that customer experience and providing support in a way that's both informative and captivating. Of course, beyond business use cases, this technology will be in the hands of billions of consumers. We really might be on the cusp of a whole new revolution in terms of content creation and engagement at a scale that could eclipse YouTube, Netflix, or Hollywood. In closing, I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you're a business leader who wants to stay on top of what is obviously an ongoing period of change and disruption, I'd welcome being your guide. Please like and subscribe and reach out in person if you'd like to explore ways in which we can collaborate. Thank you for your time.